Hello, my name is Pravat Pradhan. I am your examiner today. May I know your name, please?
Yes, sir. My name is Pravat Pradhan.
Pravat, can you tell me something about yourself?
Yes, sir. My name is Pravat Pradhan. I read in class 8, section C of RKSM and Business Exam Monday, and class 8. My favorite hobby is cricket, and it is my favorite sports also. And my favorite food is chicken. I have a pet dog whose name is Tom, and I respect my elders and my parents, and that's all.
Do you have any bicycle?
Yes, I have a bicycle, and with it I go to school every day.
Okay. Have you ever been in London or any other foreign country ever?
No, sir.
You have never been.
No, sir.
Okay. Do you want to go?
Yes, sir.
Alright.
My heart's desire.
Do you dance?
No, sir.
You don't dance? Why?
Because I like to sing songs, but I am not attracted to dance, so I always.
Do you do exercise every day?
Yes, sir. I do exercise every day because because it is good for our health, and it keeps us our health very energetic every day. So I always.
Have you brushed your teeth today?
Yes, sir. I always brush my teeth every day because it kills the germs on our teeth and keeps our teeth very strong, and our teeth are then very protect.
Have you been waiting for your friend right now?
No, sir. I'm not waiting for my friend because now it is the test time of mine, and I'm giving the test.
Can you play badminton?
Yes, sir. I play badminton because I practice
My
badminton.
question is, can you play badminton?
Yes, sir.
Wait, sorry. Can you cook?
Yes, sir. I cook. My mother had.
But my question is, can you cook?
Yes, sir. I can cook.
Yes, that's the answer. You can cook or not? You cook, that is not the matter. But I am asking you that, can you cook or not? Okay. Should you study English?
Yes, sir. I should study English.
Why do you think so?
Because English is an international language, so where I will go or out of India, then I am or I should be need English for speech. Yes.
Did you go to school last day?
No, sir, I didn't go to school last day because last day was the holiday of our school.
Will you be free tomorrow?
Yes, sorry, sir.
Will you be free tomorrow?
No, sir, I am not free tomorrow
Why?
because tomorrow is full of day of my tuition.
Okay. Can you tell me something about your daily routine?
Yes, sir. At first, I wake up from my bed at 4:40 a.m. Then I go to the sports academy and I play there. And after that, I come back home and I breakfast. After breakfast, I sit to study. And after studying, I bath and I eat my some rices and curries. Then I go to school. And after school, I come back from school at 4:30 a.m. After that, sorry, p.m. After that, my tuition master had come to my house and I study. After that, I study all, and at night I do my dinner and I go to bed at 10:30 a.m.
Do you have any siblings?
No, sir. I'm not listening.
Okay. May I know, what does your father do?
My father is in structuring engineer,
What about your mom?
and my mom is a housewife.
Who is the least member in your family?
The eldest member of my family is my uncle.
Who is the youngest member of your family?
The youngest member of my family is me.
Okay. Do you think that family is important?
Yes, family is obviously important for us because when we are in a danger, nobody will come beside us. Like friends will come, but they are for some times. But family will always save us from danger. So obviously, family is.
I want to buy a new mobile phone. Could you give me some suggestions?
Yes, sir. That's very good. At first, you have to go a mobile store. You have to know about some mobile phones, and there are many branded companies like iPhone, Nokia, Samsung, Vivo, and you will go a mobile store and you will buy. You will give some money to them, and you will take a mobile phone.
When I was coming today by bus, that time I have lost my I've lost my wallet. I don't understand. I had some important documents there. I don't understand that what to do. If you give me some suggestion.
That's so sorry. But if you want to find your purse, then you have to go a police station and you have to be report that on your matter that you had lost your purse, and then the police will take action, and when they will find, they will call you, and you must to give your contact number to the police.
Okay. Can you say something about this picture?
Is at first I want to say that it's a well decorating picture. I can see there are many things in a room: a lamp, a picture, a table, a cup, some toys, and there is sitting a grandmother, and on his lap there is sitting a boy who is reading a book with his grandmother. I think the grandmother is listening him to a story, and the lamp is lighting now, and the grandmother and the boy is sitting on a sofa. There is the little chair of a little boy, and there is a table and a carpet, and there is a picture of, I think, his grandfather, and that's awesome.
Can you share any fact from any story? Now you have to share any fact from any story, novel, drama, jokes, movie, or cartoon from anywhere. Can you share anything?
Yes, sir. A crow. I want to say a story of crow. It was very thirsty. So once upon a time, there lived a crow in a village. So one day his had to go a long distance. So he was flying, and after some times, and it was also a day of summer. So he was very thirsty. So after flying, he became more thirsty. So he decided to take water from the sides. But unfortunately, there was no any water besides. So but he did not stop his hope. He started to fly, but after some time, he saw a pebble, and besides the pebbles, he saw some water which is full of a bucket. So he decided to think, and after thinking, he started to take out the pebbles and take off the pebbles to the pebble, and after that the level of the water happens to grow. Then the crow started to drink water and fulfill his thirsty. It's a short story.
English is not an important subject. English is not an important subject. Do you support this topic?
No, sir. English is obviously important subject than other subject, because English is the international language. In India, there are many language that can tell everyone's city or village, but English is the international language. When we will go outside of our Indian country, then English is the most important language, because when we are giving an interview, then if we tell in English, then our English fluency will be fluency, and the outside of India will the devoted in English. So we have to know much English. If we didn't know English, then if we go outside of India, then we can be talk with anyone. So we can be lost our probabilities. So English is the most important.
Breakfast is the most important, or sorry, some people are very much afraid of to speak English or to communicate in English. What do you say for them, those who are very much nervous to speak English?
As English is the international speech, everyone should know to the English. If anyone fear to the English, then at first he should to be an English tuition or a English communication class like BLS. Then the teacher will learn him the English letters A, B, C, etc., etc. After that, he will be learn words, and after that, every day he should to be practice it the English. Then like this, he can be a great communicator. Then he can
Okay.
speak English.
Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. What do you think, sir?
Yes,
Do
sir.
you, do you support it or not?
Yes, sir. Breakfast is the most important deal of the day, because breakfast is the morning food. If we do it, then from day to night we will be energetic, and our body will be energetic every day, and we can do any work very easily. So breakfast is most important meal of our life.
Thank you very much.